The mischievous invention. Once upon a time, in the quaint town of Nobita, there lived two adventurous friends named Nobita and Shizuka. Nobita was known for his curious nature, and Shizuka, the calm and intelligent counterpart, was always by his side. One sunny afternoon, Nobita decided to tinker with his grandfather's old gadgets. In his eagerness to impress Shizuka, he created a machine that was meant to make homework disappear. However, things took an unexpected turn when the invention malfunctioned, and instead, it made all the textbooks in town vanish. Panicking, Nobita sought the help of his robotic cat, Doreamon, equipped with futuristic gadgets. Doreamon, always ready to assist, analyzed the situation. With a reassuring nod, he handed Nobita the textbook time reverser. As Nobita activated the gadget, time reversed and the textbooks reappeared. However, this incident taught Nobita a valuable lesson about responsibility and the consequences of his actions. Grateful for Doraemon's help, he apologized to his friends and promised to use his inventions more thoughtfully. Shizuka, being the understanding friend she was, smiled and joined Nobita in helping others organize their study materials. Together, they turned the incident into an opportunity to foster a sense of community and teamwork. From that day forward, Nobita became more careful with his inventions, and Shizuka continued to be the voice of reason by his side. The mischievous invention mishap not only strengthened their friendship, but also highlighted the importance of learning from mistakes and growing together. And so, in the town of Nobita, adventures continued, filled with laughter, lessons, and the enduring friendship of Nobita, Shizuka, and their robotic cat companion, Doreamon.